Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of symbolic. As a symbol. For example, a repeating design symbolic of eternity. The second definition of symbolic. Involving symbols or symbolism. For example, the symbolic meaning of motifs and designs. American pronunciation. Symbolic. Symbolic. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Symbolic. Say. Symbolic. Symbolic means serving as symbol. Symbolic. Symbolic. Symbolic origin. The mid-17th century, from French symbolique, late Latin symbolicus, or from Greek symbolikos. The early 17th century saw the emergence of the adjective symbolical. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Dirty hospitals are symbolic of an underfunded health service. Now, repeat after me. Dirty hospitals are symbolic of an underfunded health service. The second practice. It is symbolic of loneliness, but also safety and guidance. Now, repeat after me. It is symbolic of loneliness, but also safety and guidance. Visual representation of symbolic. Symbolic means as a symbol.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.